Hello, today is November 3rd, 2018. I had no call on Friday. Maybe that's just as well because we gapped up, went way up, way down, had a strong recovery. Even retrospectively, I don't have any way I could have predicted that. Monday's pattern is the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. Now, Friday's pattern usually rallies, closes near the high, and if that doesn't happen, it's a negative harbinger of what will happen in the future. But Monday's open is a surrogate for Friday's close. So if we gap up smartly, overtake this high, all that negativity goes away. The other thing that can happen on Friday's pattern is a straight line move down. We got that, but usually that will close very negatively. Here we closed over all these lows. Not only do we close over these lows, we closed over these lows, and even over this high, this high. It actually is a pretty good recovery, and what makes it more impressive is it happened on Friday. Retail customers aren't very likely to go bidding stocks up when there's a long weekend ahead and you're dropping like this. The assumption is this is professional action. Also, right at the low of the day, it's a Gann fan line, 8 by 1. And there are some other proprietary signals saying this low is going to hold. Because of that, I think there's a real good chance that we gap up smartly on Monday and challenge Friday's high. Now, I have to say that's over 30 handles away, and that's a pretty tall order, but that's what I think is likely to happen. Just be aware if you're going to try it that if I'm wrong, the alternative is to gap it down smartly and undertake this low. That's not what I'm thinking will happen, but the consequences, if the call's wrong, are pretty severe, so no one should risk any money on the trade without a stop. So the call for Mondays, we look for sharply higher prices at the open, the pattern with the early low, but if it's wrong in a big way. And that's today's call.